students, this is Mars Maths classes and welcome. And class 9th, this is chapter 7, lines and angles, and we will continue the questions of exercise 7th B. Question number 3rd. But first you go through the link and subscribe the channel. Take a look of question number 3rd. In the adjoining figure, AOB is a straight line. This is. Find the value of x. This is. Hence find the angle AOC, angle COD, and angle BOD. These all angles are same side of the line. So sum of the angles will be 180. OC is a ray stand on a line from the point O. Now sum of all the angles on the same side of line AB at a point O on it is 180 degrees. So right here's angles AOB, angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degree. Put the values. 3x plus 7 degree plus COD 2x minus 19 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Open this bracket. 3x plus 7 plus 2x minus 19 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now 3x plus x plus 2x, 6x, and 19 minus 19 plus 7 minus 12 is equal to 180 degree. Now 6x is equal to 180 plus 12. 6x is equal to 180, 190, 192. X is equal to 192 upon 6 divided 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12. You get the value of x is equal to 32 degree and put the values in the given angles and you get 3 angles. So substitute the value. Now these are the 3 angles and here BOD is same as BOD, or you can write DOB. This is DOB. Both are same thing. So this is x degree means 32 degree. Answer. Question number 4. In the adjoining figure, x is to y is to z is equal to 5 is to 4 is to 6 if this is the line XOY and this is the ray OP OQ and here angles x degree, y degree and z degree. If XOY is a straight line, find the value of x, y and z. Same thing we will use here, the angle on the same side of a line and at a point. So sum of all the angles will be 180 degree. Now solve it. Here you will take the angles like x is equal to 5k and y is equal to 4k and z is equal to 6k, because common factor will be k, so angles you can take in this form. Now sum of the angles 5k plus 4k plus 6k is equal to 180 degree and write the reason. Since all the angles of the same side of line at a point will be 180 degree as I mentioned in the question number 3rd. So give the reason. Now this becomes 6 and 4 10 and 5 15k is equal to 180 degree. K is equal to 180 upon 15. So cut it. 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15, 16, 17, 18, 3, 15 twos are 30. K is equal to 12. Now substitute these value of K. So you will get all the three angles, x degree, y degree and z degree. Solve it. These are the three angles and sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. You can check the answer also. Next question. Question number 5. In the adjoining figure, what value of x will make AOB a straight line? So for AOB should be a straight line, the sum of these two angles, angle AO, suppose this is you have marked C, so AOC plus angle BOC will be 180 degree, because you also can say it O, and here suppose C point, OC ray, which is the ray OC stands on line AB, therefore sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Now substitutes the value of angles, 3x plus 20 and 4x minus 36. So 3x plus 4x, 7x, and here minus 36 plus 20, you will get minus 6 and 1, 16 is equal to 180 degree. 7x is equal to 180 plus 16, it means this becomes 6 and 8, 19, 196. X is equal to 196 divided by 7, 7 2s are 14 and 5, 7 8s are 56. You will get the value of x. Now substitute the value of x in these two angles and you will get the angle AOC and BOC. Solve it. In the question only we have to find the value of x. Here no need to solve the angles, but I have solved, so it's okay. Next question. Question number 6. Two lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD. If angle AOC is equal to 50 degree, find angle AOD, angle BOD, this angle BOC, this angle. So very easy question. You can do by a linear pair, because ray stands OA on line CD and sum of this angle 50 degree plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Solve it, you will get this value, and use the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this angle AOC should be equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Reasons also you have to mention. Now substitutes the value of AOC. Now get the value of AOD is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 130 degree. This becomes 130 degree, and here you can write BOD, angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 50 degree. Right here vertically opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So BOD is equal to 50 degree and this angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, which is 130 degree. This is the reason. Next question number 7. Question number 7. In the adjoining figure, three coplanar lines Coplanar means in the same plane. Here lines AB, CD and EF. This is AB, CD and EF. Intersect at a point O, forming angles as shown. Find the value of X, Y, Z and T. This is X, Y, Z and T. Let's see the solution. Now see the figures. Here this angle is Z and CD is one line and it intersects the other line EF. These are two lines intersecting each other at a point O and forming the angle here DOF and EOC are vertically opposite angles. These two form the vertically opposite angles. Okay, so you can write it angle Z is equal to 50 degree. Right here vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the first angle. And here look, other two lines intersecting. AB intersect to CD and these form two vertically opposite angles. So here you can write angle T degree is equal to 90 degree. Right here T degree is equal to 90 degree and same reason vertically opposite angles are equal. You can give the name also, which is T. T is COA and it is equal to BOD, angle BOD. Now these two angles you have find. Come to the next angle, X or Y, anyone. CAB is a straight line and all the angles on the same side of this line formed by these rays. So sum of all the angles will be 180 degree. It means X degree plus 50 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So here write X degree plus 50 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree and write the reason since sum of all the angles on same side of line AB at a point O is 180 degree. Now X plus this becomes 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree and 40 degree. X is equal to 40 degree and see the lines AB and EF intersecting at point O and angle X and Y are vertically opposite angles. So you can write here X degree is equal to Y degree and give the reason here 40 degree. The reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. So all the angles you can find and give the reason. Next question. Now question number 8. In the adjoining figure, three coplanar lines AB, CD and EF intersect at a point O. These lines. Find the value of X. You have to find the value of X. Hence find angle AOD, angle COE and angle AOE. So first you find the value of x. How you will get? Here see this line EF and all the angles of the same side of this line will be, sum will be 180 degrees. So 5x plus 3x plus angle BOC will be 180 degree, and get the value of x and then substitute the value of x in these three angles. So that are your required angles. Now substitute the value of these angles. COE, which is 5x, plus COB as it is, plus angle BOF 3x is equal to 180 degree. Now angle COB and 5x plus 3x means 8x. You can write in place of COB is equal to 2x because these two are vertically opposite angles. So here 5x plus, cut it, write it, 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree, and give reason. Angle COB is equal to 2x degree since both are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. You can give this reason. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 18 degree. Divide by 10 and you will get the three angles. Substitute the value of x. Now these are the two angles, AOD and COE. One more angle we have to require, angle AOE. Angle AOE is equal to which angle? Angle BOF. Both are vertically opposite angle. See, this is one line and this is two line, and both are formed the opposite angles, vertically opposite. So this becomes 3x. It means 3 into 18, 50 degree, 54 degree, and right here vertically opposite angles are equal. So students, this is sufficient for this video, and we will continue the next and remaining questions in our next video. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.